Well, at the beginning of April, things were starting to look a little bleak around here with the drought monitor as we hadn't had a lot of rain during the first quarter of the year and the drought was creeping in. But you head to the end of May and things have really improved across the area. I always say April, May, our wettest months are ahead of us when we're that early in the season, and we have definitely seen some rain here across the area. Bell County, you're now drought free, along with McLennan and points farther to the north. Still have drought conditions in San Saba County, but we've gone from extreme to moderate. So we have improved, and down through Burnett and Georgetown, still pretty dry down there. They need some more rain, but remember the one from yesterday was not included in that. As we take a look at rain chances over the next few days, we have a 50-50 shot Friday morning. It'll be between midnight and about 8 o'clock in the morning, it looks right now. Then we'll keep it dry on Saturday. Just an isolated storm threat Sunday and Monday, maybe slightly higher by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But more storms will be possible by morning, courtesy of a complex of thunderstorms developing out here across West Texas. That will eventually work its way into Central Texas later on tonight. And there could be some strong to severe storms. But the time of night this is moving in, we usually don't see widespread severe weather, but I do think from about a Hamilton, Goldthwaite, San Saba line, the storms will be strongest here. You have the highest potential likely for wind over 60 miles per hour. As the thunderstorms make their way deeper into Central Texas and closer to I-35, they should slowly weaken, not meaning we won't see severe weather. It will just become more isolated along the line. So west of 281, we'll be watching you around midnight or so, about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning for Waco, Temple, and Killeen. And the future track will confirm that as well. There you go. As we head toward midnight and going into the wee hours of the morning, does appear the strongest thunderstorms again will be out to the west. Then they slowly start to die out as they make their way farther off toward the east. Could be a few thunderstorms make their way across Corsicana, Fairfield as well, going over into East Texas. So we will see which model actually wins out here, but I do think we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, hopefully not too bad. And then as we make our way into Friday afternoon, things should be pretty quiet, and that will go right on into your Saturday as well. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the 60s for the most part across the northern two-thirds of the area, 70s as you head farther to the south. Then tomorrow, a little bit cooler out there because we will be behind a cold front. Quite a bit of cloud cover, especially for the first half of the day, and temperatures into the 70s and 80s, but warmer in the Brazos Valley as you'll be into the mid 80s down there. And looking at your forecast, looks like those temperatures officially 81 tomorrow, a little cooler to the northwest. Chance of thunderstorms before sunrise, ending as we head through Friday morning. And it looks like we should be fine by Friday afternoon. 85 degrees on Saturday, 90 degrees Sunday, maybe an isolated storm threat across our eastern counties. 20% on Monday. A weak front tries to get closer to the area Tuesday into Wednesday. So I did up rain chances a little bit there to 30% to account for that. And then it looks hot and dry as we make our way toward the end of next week. And for the Brazos Valley, we will have a chance for a few thunderstorms, but it will be dying out Friday morning as it gets closer to you. 86 degrees on Saturday, and then those isolated storm chances as we make our way into next week with highs in the 90s.